welcome back to Cruisin with Tori here. We are out doing our thing on another hot and sultry day here. I think that's a word. We already accepted and we're in progress to complete our first order. It's this Walmart order here on the screen, 25 bucks. It was only 18 items going about 5 miles. It was the best order I could find because I was turning down a ton of no-tip orders. I don't know what's going on, if they changed the auto tip thing or if it's all new people and they think we're all employed. I don't know, but the orders have been terrible lately, but this is the best one I could find of the bunch. We're on our way, and we got to make some money back because I spent a lot of money on this new Celtic swag. So we got to make some money and recoup our merch costs here. So we're on our way. Let's go. All right, so we just finished that order. We're back to Walmart, and our endeavor is back to Walmart. We got this Uber order, so it's literally the easiest $6 on planet Earth. We're going to Starbucks, and we're dropping it off to Petco, which is literally in the same plaza. So presuming that Starbucks is ready, this is going to be super easy. We did get another Uber Eats Walmart, but yeah, there is a lot of high miles, no tips today. So there's going to need to be some ultimate surges for those orders to ever get taken. But yeah, we're basically back at Starbucks. Just gotta wait for this light to ever turn green, and let's go get it.
Never bother me, I feel happy and fine. Ha-ha! Living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time.
All right, back here after that little quick run into Petco. Drop that off. Nah, I always forget that I have YouTube videos running. So yeah, we got $6 more in the bank. We don't have anything on Doordash. We can't get on Doordash, I should say. Instacart is dead-zo. So we are in the Walmart Plaza. So we'll play the waiting game for some more shops. We got about 20 more minutes to the curbside offers drop, so let's go try to find something now. Try to find something. So literally about 6 seconds elapsed from the time I just ended that last clip to the time we just got this Spark order. 36 bucks, 8 miles, about, I think it was 28 items, something on that line. So we're gonna go bang this out. I'm not gonna record the shopping. And this is something that has been kind of going around the different communities I watch. Is it worth it to record inside of places? And my logic, I'll put the camera in my pocket. Like if something comes up that's vaguely interesting, or maybe it's like a teaching scenario, you know, I'll clip in, but we've all shopped before. So like, I don't see enough of the allure to bring you in and, ooh, here's a box of crackers. Oh, here's a thing of bananas. Like, we've all seen that before. So I'm not going to record shopping anymore. I hope that doesn't change people's opinion of the channel or unsubscribe or not subscribe, but I'm still in this to make money. I don't think you really care to watch me shop, and it also slows me down, so therefore I make less money. And because I'm not monetized or anything, because I'm so small, it's not evening out. So that's my new thought process. Put in the comments if you agree or disagree with that. But that being said, we're heading into Walmart. All right, just dropped that off. As you saw, a lot of work, a lot of steps. I didn't know if I should step on the grass or not. I mean, most people are fine with it, but some people are big yuppies about it, and it seemed like they took care of it, so I didn't. Now we are heading back. I got my phone. I got this little like lip in my car. I got my phone there because that's something that you never really hear people talk about in the summertime, is keeping your phone cool. Like most of us have 7, 8 apps going at a time. GPS is always on. Your phone is never getting a break. And when it overheats, your screen dims down, you lose a lot of battery. But then on the opposite end, you also can't charge as fast because batteries hate heat, so they'll charge super slow when they're hot. So do you guys have any tricks for keeping your phone cool in the summertime, especially when, you know, the sun is beating down on it? But I got mine cooling off here with the charger on, so hopefully that helps. I'll get the GoPro right in front of the AC as well after I finish this clip. But we're heading back probably about 7 dead miles back to Walmart, or back to some area of commerce, and we'll see what's next. All right, didn't take long for us at all to get another order here, and it's a great one. You can see here it's 30 bucks for about 2 miles. It's only 20 something items, and a lot of them are all baby stuff, so it's gonna all be in the same section. So I didn't come out today with really big expectations, but we started around 9, and this is going to be our 3rd order of the day. So things are looking good here. I don't even know what the hourly is going to be, but we're 2 hours in. I mean, it'll take me 15 minutes to get back to the store, but probably, hopefully less than 10 minutes of shopping time, 5 minutes of travel. So yeah, we're making money today. We don't even need DoorDash or anything. So, all right, we're speeding to Walmart. Let's make some money. All right, the weirdest friggin' thing just happened. So as you guys saw, I accepted this order on my way back from another order. So Walmart knew where I was. I was headed in direction to Walmart to take this order. I'm pulling in to Walmart, like literally pulling into the plaza, and it canceled on me. So I'm like, what the hell? I'm here. It canceled on me. I wasn't like going in the wrong direction. I was going to Walmart. So then I immediately get an ASAP order, and it's for the same exact order. So you took it away from me and then offered to give it back to me. Make it make sense. All right, well, we're here. We have it. We've confirmed arrival, I think. Hopefully. It was here. We'll do this together. Where are you? Oh, there it is. Start trip. I should have already did that. Confirm arrival. All right, it's ours now. Let's go shopping. All right, we are sweating sack right now because it is basically peak heat of the day here, and can't wear my hat because I just bought this hat and I love this hat, and I'm not going to sweat stain it already. But that shop did not take too long. There was deli I had to wait on, but start to finish we were in there for 16 minutes, a little longer than I want, but at least 5 of that was waiting in the deli. So customer's only like 5 minutes away from here, so it'll be a quick drop off, and it seems busy, so hopefully we can keep rolling. If not, we'll get on DoorDash for lunch. So let's go. All right, just left that drop off, and now we're on DoorDash. We're waiting to see if anything else comes up on Spark, or if we'll get food first. Everything is turned on right now. Yeah, it's really hot. I made sure to text that customer. On hot days like this, I usually don't text the customer and ask them, you know, tell them that I'm on the way or I'm there. I only do it in 2 circumstances. If it's really, really hot out and they have perishables, or if it's raining. And she had a lot of perishables, and it's 90 some odd degrees outside, baking sun. So I know they get a bajillion notifications, but I'll give them a bajillion and one just to try to help them get their stuff. And they did come right out. So I don't know if it was because of their notifications or mine, but as long as they get their stuff. So I think that puts us very close to the century mark today. We did 30, 36, so that's $66. And then we had a 25, so that's 66, 80, 91, and then we did $6. Yeah, so we're at $97 in just about 3 hours. So that's absolutely fantastic. Now we're heading into lunch. Let's see if there's more grocery. Let's see if there's more food. Something's got to be coming up, and we're going to find it. Let's go. All right, I took a few hours off because the heat was getting to me. So needed to have a drink, lay down, and just recoup. So back at it for a few hours. We'll see how long we stay out. But we took this Walmart Spark shopping order. It was a no-tip order, but we let it surge, and it went up to 19 bucks. It started at 12, went up to 19. I wasn't going to chance it any more than that. So it's only 8 items, so should be able to bang this out pretty quickly. So we're back at it, and let's head on in there.
Living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time.
All right, we just finished that order, and I'll screenshot how long it took me. I was in the store for 3 minutes shopping, about a minute checkout. So probably all in all inside of the store for the whole transaction, about 4 minutes. So if you're gonna have a no-tip order, at least bang it out quickly. So it says 10 minutes to the customer. I don't know why, it's only 2.5 miles, but so be it. But either way, that'll be a $19 order done in 15 minutes. So that's the way to do a no-tip order if you can. So let's go get there, and we'll see what's next. All right, we just dropped off that no-tip order, and we just took another no-tip order. Well, I don't know, there's like nobody out now. This is only 8 items. It's going to a 4th floor apartment, albeit there is an elevator. But it's only like 8 or 9 small items, so it'll be a one-tripper pretty easily. I won't have to fight it at all. So yeah, we're not getting any tips today, but if you're gonna take no tips, like I said, let them max surge, and you can only do this when you know there's not a lot of drivers out. But here's the thing, everyone's playing the same game. Like I have a number in my head. All right, I'll take it when it goes to blank. But everybody else who's around is also playing that game. So you have to like outsmart your competition. Like, all right, I think everyone's gonna take it at 20, so I'll take it at 19. You have to really be sneaky. And like, I'm friends with a lot of drivers, and we play these games together all the time. Oh, did you take that order? Oh, I was gonna take it at 20. Well, I knew you were gonna take it at 20, so I took it at 19. It's literally the surge game. It's a lottery, but when this is what you're being offered, it's what you have to do. So we're going back to Walmart, another 9 items. Maybe we'll be in there 5 minutes, another 10-minute drive. It'll still be a $40 an hour. So you can't deny $40 an hour, even if it's not the $40 an hour that sounds prettier with big tips. But enough rambling, let's go. All right. I'm a little slower on this one by 1 minute. It took 5 minutes in the store, saying a 9-minute drive. Shut up, Siri. But we are going to the 4th floor apartment, so it'll take us, I don't know, 5 minutes to get in there. Hopefully she buzzes us in. I did take her order once before under the same pretense. It was a no-tip shop that was max surged. So I've been there before. She's usually pretty responsive, so I think she'll be fine. And we're closing in on dinner. We don't have a Doordash shift, hashtag low AR posse, but we're not scheduled either, so we're just gonna have to hope it turns red. But I guess if we could keep this lowball shop game going, I ain't gonna complain either. So 8 minutes, let's go. So as you can see, apartments are not fun. They're hotels, and typically if if someone has a humongous order, you're usually using a wagon for it, or you're just not taking it at all, because that's just a lot to do. So luckily that was a small one, but we did stack that. All right, stack it, but we lined up ourselves another order, and it's a pretty good one. It's Papagino, so it's our local pizza chain. It's 12 for $5, but from where we are, over 4 of those are just getting to the store, so it's only gonna be about a mile from the store once we get there. It says pick up at 4:46, it's 4:35, so we'll be there right on time. About 10-minute drive there, so it should be ready. As early as I got it, I was really hoping for a stack, but an add-on, but didn't get it. But either way, let's get ourselves over there as fast as we can and grab ourselves our order. That was a pretty quick drop off. It was ready as I expected. Quick pickup, not drop off. Here's a little pro tip. Always look at the item list.
I gave him a name.
Sorry, I was listening to an interview. Always look at the item list, because in this case, they got 3 hot items and a tuna sub. So what you don't want to do, in most instances, some people are different, but you don't want to put a hot item in with a cold item. Naturally, if I put that tuna sub in the hot bag, that's going to be a hot tuna sub. Now, I know tuna melts are a thing, but not everybody likes that. Like, sometimes you'll see people order a Caesar salad, and I know that there are people putting a Caesar salad in a hot bag with a pizza. Like, you know it exists, but don't do it. So, all right, I think we're going to do this one last order on cam, and I'm going to go run off and do some other orders, and I'll summarize the rest of my night when I'm done. So we're gonna do a little hustle and drop this off, and I'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys, so it's been a couple hours since I last checked in with you. I did a few orders in the meantime. Just wanted to bang them out. So I think we made like another 30 some odd bucks between, I think there was 3 orders, maybe 4, I don't even remember. But yeah, we ended up at this amount of money for the day. I don't know what that is right now. I'll have to add it in post. I think 170-ish. I'm not going to calculate the hourly rate because it was a really weird day, because I did it as a split shift. If I had to guesstimate, I think I did about 6 hours in the, about 4 hours in the morning side, and then 3 hours on the night side. So I'm going to estimate about 7 hours. So take that as for what it is. But either way, like, share, subscribe, comment. We're growing this. We're growing it slow, but we're having fun with it. Make sure you stay tuned for another ride along with Corey. Corey out.